So yeah, that's it. That's how it looks. Yep, my hair is just so black and I love it. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Lesodur, and so today I wanted to dye my hair. Actually, dye my hair black. Not that my hair isn't black or I have another dye on, but because my hair is kind of brownish, not like brown, but if you like right now you cannot see it because I'm using my ring light, but when you see it in the sun you'll see like it's not actually like black the way my t-shirt is black. So that's why I usually dye my hair, and today I'll be using the Radiant hair dye. Most of the time I usually use the dexe hair shampoo, and for me the difference is that for the Radiant hair dye, it kind of makes my hair, do I say tough? Can I say tough, or like the texture is kind of hard? But then the dexe one, it makes my hair a little bit relaxed, not so much relaxed, but a little bit relaxed. It's like using a conditioner. And then the other difference is the Radiant one, I bought it at 100 Kenyan shillings. This is like $1. And then the black hair shampoo, I usually get it at 50 Kenyan shillings. That is like 50 cents or something. Yeah. But then the difference isn't that much big. And then the other thing is that with the dexe one, like the shampoo doesn't last for like a really long time. Like within a month or so my hair will be back to the natural, to the normal color. But then with this Radiant, it at least stays longer. Like I have to like stay for a couple of months. Yeah, so I'll be dyeing my hair black today. I know my hair is kind of like, the shape is kind of shapeless because I had braids on and this side was shaved. That's why it looks like this. So I want to dye it, then go and get some, yeah, you know. So let's do this. So when mixing the dye with the developer, I usually mix 4 cups of the dye with the 2 cups of the developer. So it's like the ratio of 2 to 1. So whatever I use 2 for the dye, use 1 for the developer, because some of us have longer hair and some of us have even like some of your hair is even shorter than mine. So just use the ratio 2 to 1. So the first thing I did is wash my hair. Like I just shampooed my hair prior to, then after like applying the dye, after I washed out the dye, I'll only do co-washing, that is washing with the conditioner, and then we'll see after that. So first of all, you're going to mix it. They should say don't use a metallic thing, just find any plastic thing. So I'll be using this like ice cream container, so you can use anything plastic. I'm using something that I can easily dispose after this. Yeah. So after that, you're going to mix this up. Whew, the smell. So after mixing it, now I'm going to apply it on my hair. So I only have one glove. This is a medical glove in it. So I'll be using this one, and then on the other hand I'll be using this comb. So just apply. So right now that I'm done applying it, you can see like the difference already. Even like my scalp where the dye is just already turning black. So yeah, now I'll go and co-wash my hair. So I'll be using this conditioner. Like I'm not quite into having specific hair products yet, because like any that is just okay with me, that doesn't have any effect, like I can use it. So today I'll be using this conditioner. So yeah, see you in a few. This conditioner like smells nice, it feels nice, and my hair looks relaxed. Not relaxed in the way that you've applied a relaxer, but it just looks relaxed and the curls are popping out and here. So like it already feels amazing, it already looks amazing. Yeah. So while applying the conditioner, one thing I do is just to comb through with my fingers like this. Yeah. For a couple of minutes until I feel like now I think I can wash it out. Then now I just rinse it all out. After rinsing, while the hair is still wet, I'll apply a leave-in conditioner. So after applying the products, I just try and give it some shape, just trying to like, not really combing it through, but then just trying to shape it out. If you get what I'm saying. Yep. And then for the sides, let me show you guys how this looks on natural light, because natural light brings the natural thing. The weather isn't that good, but I hope it will still bring it out. So yeah, something like that. So yeah, that's it. That's how it looks. Yep, my hair is just so black and I love it. So see you guys on another video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a like. And I noticed like a huge number of you guys haven't subscribed it. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please make sure that you click on that subscribe button. And see you. Bye bye.